How to import contacts to MAILCHIMP. So first, go to your MAILCHIMP dashboard here, and then just click on the audience here on the left side. Then you will see add your contacts here. Just click on add your contacts. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, now you will see three options here of how you can import contacts. So you can either choose import from another service, upload a file, or copy and paste. So for example, we want to use copy and paste. So just click on it and then just click on continue. And then you will see an example here of the format that you need to type in here for your contact. You need to type in his or her email address, first name, last name, and address. After that, just click on continue and then follow all of the prompts here of what MAILCHIMP is going to give you. And then after that, you would be done uploading or importing your contacts. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.